lip balm. Primer from Pevian. Actually, kakarating lang kanina. First time ko siya try. May kulay pala siya. Para siyang skincare. Ay, yung dimple na yun. Yung nala ako lubaygan. Nung nakaraan nakala ko nag-okay na yung skin ko. Nung clear na. Like, ito na lang yung pimple ko noon. Dito wala na. And then sa dundi, mga 6 na pimple. Sabay-sabay tumubo. Nakakainis. Yan. Feels nice. Alam ba't niya sa mukha? Oh, papartneran ko yan. Ito. I'll use Pevian's foundation and then the shade Pearl. I want to share these brushes. These are MR brushes by Mayroke. It's really nice and it's very affordable. 1,999 ata ito. And you'll get 16 good quality brushes. These are really underrated. Like, mas maganda pa ito kaysa dun sa ibang sikat na local brands. I'll color correct my dark spots with Flower Nose concealer. Itong MR brushes mo lang minsan may tuchang. Ayan. I don't really mind. You can just do this. Rub and solve. Ayan, I'll take this one. Parang medyo fluffy na flat. Fluffy na flat. Basta yan na yung very thin layer lang yun. Lalagay ko. See? Look at the difference. I really love this concealer from Flower Nose. Sobrang underrated niya. Ang ganda ng formula niya. Very blendable, very creamy. Actually, it reminds me of Nars and Tarte. Like if Tarte and Nars had a baby, feeling ko, parang ganun yung formula niya. Kaso nga lang yung shade range nila, Diyos ko, apat lang yung choices. Puro pang fair skin tones lang, pang light. Pero yung pimple ko, merong sugat. Here. Ayun, madami siya. Pero usually, pag dito, mas okay yung medyo greenish kasi it's kinda reddish. Ito okay na rin naman. Sobrang pigmented talaga ng concealer. So, talaga, they expand the shades. Kasi, sayang yung potential. Large spots, nice. Covered. Yung acne marks is cut correct ko sila after foundation. I'll be using this one, PKO2. Brightener naman to. Brightening the areas I want to bring forward. Hindi ka hindi naman masyado siyang blend. Kapatong na naman yung foundation. Take it here. I know I look crazy right now, but it's just the process. I'm gonna prime my brush muna. Or even application. Actually, gusto kong ginagamit yung flat and then blend it with sponge. Pero I want to use this today. Yung facial hair, it goes downwards. Dapat pa ba yung strokes if ever you're using a brush like this. Ayan ko na kung saan siya blend it. Like, really press that. There you go. Mas maganda talaga. Brush muna to apply and then use a sponge. Grabe. Wow. Ang full coverage na lang foundation na to. Like, ooh, pakak. So, ayan, tingnan mo itsura nito. Pag-brush lang. Ito naman, kapag pinindot mo ng sponge. Basta pag ginagalan mo ng sponge. Ayan, pindutin ulit. Itong kapilang side naman. Ang pindutin. Kaya ayoko nagsasalita. Kung ano, hindi kasi magaling mag-explain. Tapos pag nag-explain ako, hindi ko mahanap yung word na kailangan ko. Basta hindi ko magaling mag-express ng sarili ko with words. So, yan, practice. Samahan ako mag-practice. Hindi niyo ako maintindihan. Intindihin niyo na lang. Ay, nalap. Ang sabi ng base. Full coverage. I'm gonna use this one from Get Ready With Me. Super fit ko to. I use this for my clients din. I use strokes din. It's been talaga. Favorite ko. For local. Although, hindi ko siya ina-apply ng ganyan for clients. Actually, kahit sa sarili ko. Ito meron ako ilagay ko. Hindi ko kasi talaga yung ginagamit ng dalag tayo kasi pigmented siya. Ooh, it's good. It's too much. Ang dami, day. Ano ba yan? Let's put a little bit here na lang din. Ang contour ko sa mukha ko is for my face shape. So, don't copy this. If you have different face shape than mine. Kasi ang goal ko for my contour placement is to look more oval. I have a wide face, so talagang nilalagyan ko ng shadow dito sa gilid. And always try to trim off some of my cheekbones kasi they're very prominent and I'm not a fan of that. Nose contour, ito. This is what I like using. Pag-blended siya is a contour. Isa pang highlight. This is from Out of Office. Sa Beauty Brand. Sa studio, ilagay mo ganyan. Then, a little some here then. And then here. Gamitin na rin natin ito. So, yung punas. And then, yung highlight mga blend. Next is cream blush. I want to mix it with a highlighter. Both ng Flower Nose. So, kapag nag-blush ako, first layer ko palagi. Like, non-negotiable, laging cream blush or liquid blush. Liquid blush para sa liquid. So, ayan. Shade number 5. Parang beige na peachy. Very natural lang siya. I will mix it with a liquid highlighter. This is one of my favorites from them. So, bang cute na to. Ang name niya is Pixie Dream. So, ayan, next ko siya. This is actually my new favorite cream blush applicator. Sobrang effortless. Here, it's over here. Bronzer. So, hands yan. And then ito. This is from Red Chamber. Pili ko ito ngayon. Sobrang gamit ito sa akin. This is in the shade Resonance Unfolds. Ganyan siya. Shimmer. Nag-glitter. Ang cute yung effect. Ang cute. Dito yung foundation na sobrang full coverage mo. Itakpan na yung pimples ko, yung pimple marks. Although malang pa rin naman napipicto, kasi grabe yung pimples ko talaga. I'll use this one. I'll use the shade Madeline. Ito, gawin ko na lang yung mamaya. So, rinse concealer in the shade Ghent to brighten more of my underarm. I'm gonna remove the creases. So, ayan, saset ko na siya with Givenchy. I'll set my whole face. Wala. Ano yung binanong ko kanina? Ito muna nilagay ko sa Play, DIK, and then ito, natural happy skin. Tapos, ito flower nose. Pinapatang-patang ko lang sa wala lang. Trip ko lang silang gamitin. From Never Shop. Number 02. Yung last is Johnny PLG. And then, ngayon, ito naman. Alam ko nagamit na blush, no? Alam ko kasing blush, I own 100 plus blushes. I don't even wanna know kung ilan sila exact. Ito lang, gamitin ko yung gray. Mas maganda talaga at powder contour for details. I use this purple contour. Here. Using ko lang ito. Blend ko na lang din dito. Ang sugar ko lang. Check yung palette mo. Ganyan siya. Ito na lang yung pang highlight. This is from Detail in the shade Blue Skies. Pa-prime ko lang yung eyes ko. Kasi talagang magpa-pop yung eyeshadow. I'll be using this one from Red Chamber. This will be the base. Just putting that all over this color. This is from Into You. Ang cute dito. Ito siyang first. This one. This one yung kulit na. Okay. This one. Then this one. This is also from Sugar Bear. And here. And then this one. Both are here. Okay. Ito kung ito. Ganda. Nice watch. This is my Multichrome collection. This is my most expensive palette. Okay, it's customized and they're all from indie brands. Wow. Ito yung ko. Yeah. These are literally my session. Multichromes, duochromes. Basta yung may mga shifting colors. Sobrang obsessed ako sa mga ganyang eyeshadow. I have a huge collection of these. Wow! Hindi siya kita sa camera. Open real life. Kasi naman yung envelope. Just that. This one. Much. Pink and green. Using this one from Bexy. Drawing ko ng bagong ganito corners of the eyes para lumaki. Blend it. Easy naman. And then I'll just repeat that on the other side. Line my eyes. Nakonect ko lang. Balikas, sugarless. Ano red? Ito na rin pang i-visual ko. It's a non-negotiable kung may i-visual routine kasi may kulubot yung aking i-visual. I cannot live without this. Eyeshadow hindi siya enough for me. Like parang ang bilis na nabubura. Tapos kapag ibang i-visual pen naman, it creases. So bad. This is from the bed. Korean brand siya. This is not for everyone. My learning curve siya. It's very dry pa nila. Natutuhan ko pa yun ng art class. This one. These two, pair na to, this combo. Holy grail. 24 hours ka may i-visual. Tapos, combohan mo pa ng ano, nito. Hindi yan makatanggal. I'll take this one again. Konti here. Ito. Again dito. I want to use this then. This one's from Flor. Ang cute na. Just fine. This gives more definition. If that's too harsh for you, you can always blend it out. White eyeshadow. A little bit there. Where ito lang. Hook. Fat igusal. I want my igusal to be big and fat. Okay na konti. Dito. Here. Here. A little bit here. Here. I'm using Nayo. Very pale blonde siya. So, very light na yung eyebrows for this one. Kasi, super overpowering na ay. Gusto ko nga, walang eyebrows for this look. Kaso nga lang, nakatamad mag-glue. That was a weird that night. Pero, passes, glitters, caramel. Ganyan na siya, oh. Bikita. Pero, gel yung texture niya. Pero, nagda-dry siya. Siguro lang ko yung this one. Freckle pen. Ganyan. This is from, I forgot. Let me spotlight. Look at the glitters. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm using Koji Curler. Finally replaced my Shea Mora with this one. And I must say, I prefer this one. Kasi mas curve siya. Mas naka-curl niya yung gilid. Nakahagip niya yung gilid. Kasi yung sa Shea Mora, hindi niya nakahagip yung gilid. This is from Floyd. From the Miko collection. This is really nice. Hindi siya nagka-clump. And nakakalantan talaga siya. Ang cute. Ang cute ng package. Look at the difference. Yan yung applicator niya. Nice. This is what I use kapag gusto ko very light lang yung lashes. Mapayat, pero mahal. Hindi ko super OA na. OA ba? OA. Parang trip kong gamitin to. Si Polish. Bana style. Nagawa ko siyang cluster. Naka-cluster kasi siya parang tumatayo. Gusto mas ganun siya. So ano? Si OA. O itong slight OA lang. This one, light blue powder. Ang bright. Do you see that? This blue blush is from Judy Doll. I usually use this to neutralize the skin tone or to brighten, just like what I'm doing right now. Highlighter. This is from Girl Crush. Sobrang ganda nito. Very natural yung atake na itong highlighter na to. OA tayo ngayon. So, yan. Ganun ko siya yung spotlight sa mata. Here then. Okay. A little bit here. I use this time. I don't really apply it.